What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta Token video, another Theta Token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel, trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links that I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or your TFO tokens to my Elite Edge node. Help out my channel, help out the Theta community, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFO passively as possible and utilize it however you like, either on Theta Drop, Open Theta, on the future subchains on Theta, or if you like to restake it to those Elite Edge nodes to mine specifically, definitely check that out. And of course, everyone wants to utilize the blockchain and earn as much as passively as possible. That's the whole point of Theta. So if you don't mind checking out those QR codes, or if you like to check out down below the links itself, so I'll actually copy and paste the address to stake to the node, whichever is more easier for you guys. I try to help out as much as possible, so if you don't mind helping me out by staking to my node, really would appreciate it. Going on to the news, we're going to see that here Mitch Lu post, thank you to all the new 2000 plus global edge nodes, should we have a new challenge? This was posted, he reposted this, looks like on April 5th of 2024, so relatively recent to when this video is going to be released. Continuing on to all the updates, I would like to say, remember recently when Theta Network and Google Cloud were collaborating on video to text pipeline? Soon, YouTube will be supporting AI. Part of this feature includes summarized video, which is exactly what they were working on here. Going on to this little excerpt. Application semantic video search. In this first example of semantic video search, multiple models are used consecutively through GCP and Theta Edge network. Raw video is fed into video to text by Google Imagen via the Vertex AI APIs. Then clip summaries are sent to the large language models and VectorDB hosted in the Theta Edge network to create video summaries and tags. This allows users to accurately locate interesting moments inside such a long video from a massive video library using natural languages. From what I can remember from one of the Google presentations in regards to Theta, it was one of the Steph Curry shots from one of the NBA games. So if you do a search like that, you'll be able to find that clip that's specifically being talked about. And then it just saves you a lot of time from searching those specific videos. And hopefully this could be utilized not just for sports, but any other kind of highlight or information, especially when it comes to learning. I feel like that'll be the huge next step when it comes to AI and this type of technology. Continuing on, I'm not necessarily too sure if AI will actually be utilized for YouTube. I'm sure that's in the pipeline, but just not too sure when. Don't want everyone to just start quoting me on that because I posted this on a YouTube video, but as you can tell, if you look at this post, it says Theta holder, so it looks like this is another individual as well. But just to put some speculation on technology and how everything is updating, I feel like that could be a realistic prediction as to what may happen with YouTube in the near future. Going on to this also post, you're going to see here breaking news. This was posted by Bani Agadi. Looks like curating the best content on AI, technology trends, and productivity hacks. DM for collaboration opportunities, about 55,000 followers. YouTube just got a massive upgrade. AI is now coming to YouTube and it's insane. Here's everything you need to know about the stay on the top. Right here is AI chat box to answer questions about related videos. It answers video related questions while viewers watch a video, accessible via ask button without interrupting the playback. So if you're trying to find something, I believe in regards to this type of video, you'll be able to find it with a chat bot, which is crazy in itself. Going back to that previous mentioning of the Steph Curry, maybe you'll be able to use that chat bot to find and help you guys find a specific shot or moment in NBA history, just to stay linear or stay true to that example, just so nothing gets confusing. Scrolling down a little bit more, it says video editing. Create the edit videos effortlessly with Dream Screen. Customize video backgrounds with just a single prompt. Number 3 is categorize comments. Easily understand the main points of the comments with the concise summaries. And he looks like that is the gist of as to this update. I won't go into too much specifics about it because I haven't heard too much about YouTube and AI, but just something to post here just so for people who are really into it, maybe they can comment some things down below. If you have heard a lot of things about YouTube and AI specifically, we shall see how the near future is, especially with Theta in the upcoming weeks with the whole Edge Cloud Part 2 or quarter 2 of 2024. Really am looking forward to it. I'm sure everyone else is also who's watching this video. Continuing on, we're going to see here it's Theta airdrop season and important to stake it. 3 airdrops for Theta stakers in the upcoming 3 months. Levita in May, Pog in June, Grove in July. Don't miss it. These are going to be posted down below. These links, like I showed you guys, all these posts are down below. So it's a lot easier for you guys to navigate along with me. So definitely check out that like I mentioned earlier. And that's the whole point. Like I said, if you want to earn all these type of airdrops, check out these Elite Edge node, the Theta Guardian node down below in the description if you want to copy and paste those QR codes. or if you want to check out those addresses, I should say, and then the QR codes are going to be listed. I'll try to put it here. If not, it's going to be either at the end or beginning of the video. Going on to highlight some of these airdrops, we're going to see here that Theta Token metrics looks about 8 billion tokens with a tentative launch on May 10th of 2023, subject to change. The token allocation will be as followed. So as you can see here, 25% rewards for data contributors on Theta platform, a 4-year period. You can see all the dates. So 15% rewards for Theta staking, 20% rewards for Theta Edge node providing computation and storage, 5% for Theta validators and guardians, tokens for Theta team and marketing and private sale, 15% for the R&D and core team, 15% for the reserve marketing partners and advisors, 5% private token sale, 12-month vesting. So as you can tell, here is all the deadlines in terms of the Theta tokens. Really can't wait how this is going to be utilized. I feel like if you're definitely staking your tokens, put some comments down below as how much you are earning and seeing if you are utilizing it. So if you've been staking your Theta tokens, definitely check out your wallets. Maybe you have had some Theta tokens in your wallet and you should definitely be utilizing to the best of your ability. Like I said, these white papers could change. To my knowledge, these have not yet. And from my knowledge, I've been staking onto the Theta website specifically. I think there may be a way to stake on your wallet, but I'm not necessarily too sure how that works. Continuing on to the second token, here is the POG coin. It looks like they have about, I think that's 2 billion, about 2 billion. Here's all the other token details. Here's the allocation. So 50% private sale, 10% existing POG holders on Solana, 5% on the Theta Validator and Guardian Node airdrops, 15% on the rewards for POG staking and decentralized governance. I believe here are the dates you can see here that are corresponding to the allocations. Going down a little bit more, 50% to the core team, 20% for rewards for platform utility, 10% for the Edge network reward, and 10% reserved for marketing partners, exchanges, advisors, so on and so forth. And like I said, you can see the dates that are related to the percentage to the left. So definitely put some thoughts and comments down below if you're staking your POG coin also in terms of those rewards, if you're utilizing it for the games. I have not yet. I haven't earned any POG coins. Hopefully I'll start earning when those dates are going to be occurring. Going back to this, it looks like in June is when we'll be receiving those POG coins. So hopefully to utilize and stake it on them. But until then, we continue on to this next token. Seeing the new Grove subchain and Grove utility token set launch in April, powered by Theta Metachain and Edge Cloud AI. The launch of the Grove subchain on Theta and Grove tokens is just around the corner in the next few weeks. Grove is a TNT20 token natively built on the Theta blockchain that users can acquire to purchase in-app items, inventory, and soon to launch Grove Wars 3D character builder app shown below, and the Grove War Web3 gaming experience later in 2024 to 2025. Kind of looks like a Fortnite type of game. I have not seen too much gameplay. I haven't seen any gameplay, period, actually. But what I'm looking here, it kind of looks like Fortnite. I don't play Fortnite. It just looks like a game that could be utilized. Hopefully this is kind of like aiming for kids, but I'm not too sure just because I feel like more community members on Theta is more geared towards like younger adults to older adults because of the idea behind Theta for this type of technology to support NVIDIA, all these new AIs. But hopefully maybe this could be an engaging part for the younger crowd when it comes to investors, especially when it comes to Theta. Just my thought and thought process. By staking Grove tokens, users can also help govern and secure the Grove subchain on Theta network and earn more Grove tokens as staking rewards. All Theta validators and guardians will be rewarded with Grove tokens, as will, in the near future, all Theta Edge node operators that participate in processing Grove's 3D rendering and AI-related jobs and workflows. For more information, please refer to the full Grove white paper if you want to check that out. Here's some tokenomic generation event details. The Grove token generation event TGE will take place later in April of 2024, and the tokens will be available for purchase and trading on various decentralized exchanges to be announced soon. Grove tokens can be stored and viewed with the Theta wallets and on Theta Explorer. Users can immediately start staking Grove to help govern and secure the Grove subchain on Theta network via Grove Wars website on this link. Token rewards for the Theta Edge node operators who help manage 3D and AI related workflows. Tasks will be launched in the upcoming months, and the first set of Grove airdrops to Theta validators and guardians will occur approximately 3 months after the event. 12,500,000 Grove, or 1/4 of the allocated 50 million Grove, will be distributed proportionally to all Theta validator and guardian stakers in the first phase. Therefore, the remaining Grove will be distributed in each of the remaining 3 quarters through April 2025. For other distribution details, please refer to slide 21 of their white paper. Here is the Grove token details. Like they said, 1 billion Grove tokens, total minted, and the Grove utility. Grove will offer 3 main utilities in the upcoming months, with more announced later in this year. Number 1, Users will be able to utilize Grove tokens to make a variety of in-app and in-game purchases and enhancements, including character features and customizations, apparel, weapons, battle items, and additional items to be determined upon launch. Users will be able to use Grove tokens to mint one-of-one NFTs that represent the character builder 3D model with the main character and any combination of weapons, apparel, and accessories. Users will be able to utilize Grove tokens to participate in periodic Grove War tournaments, seasonal events, and additional in-game activities to be announced. Like I said, it kind of just sounds like in-game purchases, so to me, doesn't really sound too much utility. It sounds like more for a game, but if you are into that type of community and gaming, it makes sense to be a part of it. For me specifically, in the moment of reading what this information is presenting, not necessarily for me. If it's for you, put some thoughts and comments, especially if you are in the Pineapple Society type of NFT collection, pretty deep. Put some thoughts and comments down below. Here's some questions. So what is the Grove and how will it be used? A Theta TNT20 token Grove will be launched to create in-game utility and enhance the user experience for Grove Wars and associated 3D character builder application for users around the globe. The business model of free-to-play gaming monetized through in-app purchases and microtransactions has long dominated the digital gaming landscape through the Web 2 era. Web 3 gamers will be able to enhance their overall in-game experience, character aesthetics, and improve their Grove Wars performance by making use of the expansive utility provided by the Grove token. How will the Grove be distributed? Grove will have a fully supply of 1 billion tokens launched in April 2024. The breakdown of the Grove token allocation is as follows. 25% rewards for the Grove War platform, in-game rewards like 4-year allocation, 15% rewards for the Grove staking and decentralized governance, 4-year period as well. Token for Theta ecosystem partners, 10% rewards for the Theta Edge node completing 3D AI related tasks, 5% airdrop to Theta validators and guardians, tokens for Grove team and reserved for marketing partners, 15% for the R&D and core team, 30% reserved for marketing partners and advisors. So overall, that is the gist of this new NFT game. Like I said, I haven't seen too much gameplay of it. So kind of hard to say with this quick announcement and update as to what's being released. Kind of questionable as to how come I haven't seen any gameplay yet. I know this big announcement. I've seen it on Theta Drop 2, but I just haven't seen too much. I could be wrong. I could have missed it on my timeline. But since Theta Network and Mitch is also reposting this type of information, you would think there would be some sort of video of the gameplay itself. So that is just my own opinion, guys. Put your thoughts and opinions as well as to what you think about the Grove game and utility. To me, kind of just sounds like a game overall, like a regular game where you can use these type of tokens. Not too much, but that's just my own opinion based on what I'm reading. I would like everyone else to put your thoughts and comments down there as well. Continue on, last but not least, we're going to see here Mitch posts, could this be the future of Edge Node and Edge Cloud? Theta Network looks like this is like, I'm assuming an AI model or some sort. Edge nodes walk among us in plain sight. T-Fuel Elite Edge node at Theta Network. So as you can tell from the image, you can see here's the T-Fuel, and then hopefully, who knows, in the near future that T-Fuel will be definitely looking forward and bright for those invested into it. But that is all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. I would not be here without you guys. Thank you so much. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node, or staking your TVO tokens to my Elite Edge node. Help out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TVO passively as possible and utilize on Theta Network, Open Theta, Theta Drop, the future subchains on Theta, and however else you like to even redeem it into your crypto wallet. But like I said, that's all I really have. Put some thoughts and comments down below about today's video, what you want to see in the near future. Until the next Theta video, the next Theta update, it is your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.